Today, I will walk you through some amazing companies offering remote customer service roles and the perk they provide. I would also share some crucial skills you would need to succeed in this industry. You may be wondering if this is the right fit for you, or maybe you're looking for a high paying opportunity you can do from the comfort of your home. Well, the good news is you are in the right place. Yes, you heard me right. We're in the season of Christmas, right? So let's dive deep into it. If you're new to this channel, my name is Chinyere. And on this channel, I talk about everything about earning online, making money online, either through remote job, affiliate marketing, or digital marketing. If you're looking or interested in any of the things I've mentioned, you want to hit on the subscribe button to join our community. First off, why are these jobs so popular right now? Remote customer service roles are flexible, often they pay well, and they don't always require extensive experience. They are perfect for people who enjoy problem solving, communicating, and making someone's day a little easier. Plus, you're going to be working from the comfort of your home. It means that you're going to skip commute, you're going to work from your own coffee cloth, create your own little work haven. That said, not every remote work is a work in the park. You would need to be patient, resilient, and you need to have a knack for staying professional under pressure. If you have got this quality or you're willing to develop them, then you're already halfway to becoming or succeeding in the remote space. Now, let's look at some of the best companies hiring for these roles. The first one I have on my list is American Express. This global recognized company regularly hires remote customer service representative. They offer roles in customer success, technical support, and beyond. The beauty of working with American Express is the range of opportunities available, from basic customer service to personalized position, requiring additional skill or language proficiency. To explore this job, head over to their career page and search for work from home. You will find plenty of listings catering to various skill sets. They are known for their excellent training program and supportive work culture. So this is a fantastic place for you to start your remote career if you're interested in remote customer service support. The second is Williams-Sonoma. They are known for selling cookware and home goods. But do you know that they also hire remote customer service rep? You probably do not know. Why some job posting might list specific location, most of their positions are entirely work from home. They also offer some amazing perks like generous discounts on their product and performance bonus. For example, they've been known to give referral bonuses, holiday attendance incentives. If you're looking for a company that values its employee, Williams-Sonoma is worth checking out. You don't want to miss checking them out. The third on my list is Kel Service. They act as a bridge connecting you with jobs across different industry. They are particularly active in placing workers in contact center roles, which include customer service. Their job mostly range from general support to more specialized roles. They also offer plenty of remote opportunities for US-based workers. Just filter for work from home on their site and select the customer service category. You would find a wide variety of options, making this an excellent resource if you're exploring different industry or looking for a perfect fit. The fourth on my list, it is spelled SYKES, Skies. They offer remote customer care position. One of the things that make them special is their commitment to training. Yes, they are going to train you. They provide paid training program. So even if you're new to customer service, they would get you up to speed. Their job often cater to students or those juggling other responsibility, making it a flexible option for many people. Just head over to their website right now, search for remote roles, and filter by location to see what's available in your area. Let's talk about the fifth one, Asurion. They're a company that is perfect for tech-savvy individuals. They specialize in tech support and offer some of the best sign-on bonus in the remote customer service space. How does 3,000 sound? That's right. For certain role, They would provide a significant sign-on bonus for new employees. Their remote position often include both customer services and sale components. So if you're comfortable in a dual role, this could be an exciting option for you. Now, let's switch the gear a little bit and talk about the skills that will set you up for success in this role. Whether you're working with a global corporation or a smaller company, these three qualities I'm going to share with you, they are essential. Your main job is to solve problem, right? Customers want a detailed explanation of what went wrong. They want to know how you will fix it. So being proactive and focused on solution is crucial to delivering great service. Next, clear communication is everything in customer service. You would need to understand your customer's issue and explain solution in a way that is easy for them to follow. Whether you're working them through chat, through email or phone, good communication skills are not negotiable. You need to have them. Many of the people you would interact with, they are often very frustrated or even stressed. Showing genuine empathy can turn a negative experience into a positive one. Listening actively, acknowledging their concern, and letting them know that you are there to help them is very, very important. Remote customer service jobs are a fantastic option for anyone looking to work from home, build their skills, and connect with people. So whether you choose to work with a company like American Express or try a placement agency like Kelt Service, there is a wealth of opportunity out there for you that is worth exploring. Don't forget that building your skill in communication, empathy, and problem solving will not only help you to excel in these roles that I've mentioned, but it will open doors for you to other remote work opportunities. If this sounds like the right path for you, go ahead to explore these companies that I've shared with you. You might just find your dream job. Thanks again for tuning in. And here is to success in your remote work. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Let me know which of these companies you will try out or you have tried out. So if you're thinking of starting your virtual assistant journey, watch my video where I talk about how to become a virtual assistant. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button if you're new here. Like, comment, and share this video with anyone you know who needs to see it and needs to up their game in the remote workspace.